Hi guys, welcome to our Pharma Quality Institute. I am Dr. Santosh Kadrekar, Director Pharma Quality Institute. Today in this short video, we are going to talk about the important topic covered under Quality Control course of Pharma Quality Institute, which will help all the fresh students to understand the functioning of Quality Control Department and role of Quality Control Department in pharmaceutical organization. So friends, let's get started. Quality control or QC is an industrial management tool that helps in maintaining an uniform acceptable quality in the finished product or the medicine by testing raw materials in process and finished product, that is medicines produced. It identifies defects in raw materials, packaging materials and finished products against the set standard specifications and benchmark. QC is a product oriented technique and line function. It also eliminates them through various quality management tools. This is achieved by trained technical personnel working in the quality control department, and the job functioning is planned accordingly. A trained QC personnel should be conversant with the sophisticated instrumental analysis also. Let us understand the role of quality control in pharmaceutical organization. QC personnel should be familiar and conversant with the following topics so that they can function efficiently and effectively. CGMP, that is current good manufacturing practice, that is also called Schedule M of Drug and Cosmetics Act 1940. CGMP should be understood by all the technical personnel working in various departments of pharmaceutical organization. GLP, that is good laboratory practices, this is specifically for quality control personnel. GLP comes under Schedule L1 of Drug and Cosmetics Act 1940. It comprises of sampling, analysis of raw material, in-process material, packaging material and finished products, status labeling and release procedures. GDP, that is good documentation practices. It covers protocols, logbooks, registers, maintenance of documents. Protocols and logbooks are quite important for QC personnel as they have to make all the documentation is protocol and logbooks, and this whenever the activities of quality control are done, they should make a entry immediately in the protocol and logbooks so that it will be considered as authentication documents, and the activities has been done by the quality control personnel. Then comes the SOP, that is standard operating procedure for QC. This is issued by Quality Assurance Department. STP is again issued to Quality Control Department, that is standard testing procedure for chemical and instrumental analysis and packaging material analysis. The standard chemical testing procedure could be in-house or the pharmacopoeia specification. A training needs to be given to all the quality control personnel by QC manager or the quality assurance head. There are different types of technical and analytical work carried out in the quality control department. One is chemical analysis, which comprises of raw materials, in process, packaging material analysis and finished product analysis. Reference standard and working standard should be preserved properly by the quality control personnel. It should be preserved in the fridge. Pure grade chemicals and reagents should be procured for analysis and should be made available. The instrumental analysis is also one of the important aspects of quality control department and quality control personnel. Qualification and calibration of the instrument should be done on a regular interval. A control sample analysis also should be carried out at certain interval. Stability samples also are carried out as per the schedule. The market complaint investigation evaluation need to be carried out by quality control personnel, and the generation of certificate analysis should be done by an analyst, signed by the approved analyst or the competent personnel, and finally signed by QC manager. By and large, these are the main functions of quality control department. The facilities. Adequate facilities should be provided by management to the QC personnel. The lab should be kept clean. The working condition of the fuming cupboard should be maintained properly. Safety precautions, safety apparatus or the water shower or eye cleaning bottle should be made available. Air conditioned instrument room or control sample room should be made available. Availability of sophisticated instruments, HPLC, GC spectrophotometer, IR spectrophotoscopy, viscometer, pH meter, potentiometer, etc. should be made available for QC instrumental analysis. Standard operating procedure should be available to QC personnel. QC personnel should be properly trained for chemical and instrumental analysis and the documentation. These are the most important aspects of quality control department which should be taken care by quality control manager. And various pharmacopoeias, that is IP, BP, USP, EP and JP should be available in the QC. IP is Indian Pharmacopoeia, BP is British Pharmacopoeia, USP is United States Pharmacopoeia, EP is European Pharmacopoeia, JP is Japanese Pharmacopoeia. To get scientifically and technically trained for quality control department functions in pharmaceutical organizations systematically, you must join today quality control course of Pharma Quality Institute. Thank you very much.